Salams and welcome. Study secret number 67, how to avoid this forgetfulness curve, is to have an active form of reading. So how do you read actively? If you're reading a novel, you must remember there's a difference between reading a novel and reading a biology textbook. If you're reading a novel, you're generally lazing down under your blanket or in front of the fireplace. You have a mug of coffee next to you. You're yawning. You're stretched out. You got a puppy or a kitten next to you, and you're just curled up and you're just reading that novel. You don't do anything for a novel because it's passive reading. But in contrast to passive reading, you need active reading for a biology textbook or mathematics. For mathematics, you need to do pages and pages and pages of exercises. You must practice your sums. You must practice your formulas. You must have a pen and paper with you all the time. Keep writing, keep scribbling, keep making mistakes, and keep rectifying the mistakes. Your room must be full of used up paper which you have crumped up and thrown onto the floor because you are trying to understand new concepts and new formulas, right? So the way to avoid this forgetfulness curve, here's some revision of some strategies for learning. First, skim the work for a general overview. First, you must do that, and then you read for detail. This is similar to the SQRRR. So you skim the work, do the overview, and then you do the organic, detailed reading. But always have a pen or a highlighter in your hand. You highlight the important work, you annotate key points, but you avoid overmarking. Don't make the whole page underline everything. You know, some people highlight everything. Don't do that. Just highlight the important parts that are important, right? You highlight that, you highlight that, you highlight that, right? So reading with intention improves your understanding and your retention. So you must be focused. You must remind yourself why you are studying for this exam. You must remind yourself that failure is not an option. Stay well, stay focused. Alhamdulillah.